Have you ever wondered why Chinese electric vehicles are so much cheaper than their counterparts in the US? Let's dive into the fascinating world of affordable EVs. First off, it's all about production costs. Chinese manufacturers benefit from lower wages and streamlined manufacturing processes. This means they can produce high-quality vehicles at a fraction of the cost. Next, let's talk about government support. The Chinese government heavily subsidizes the EV industry, offering tax breaks and incentives that make electric cars more affordable for consumers. In fact, some models can start as low as $10,000. Compare that to the average price of EVs in the US, which hovers around $54,000. The disparity is staggering, and it leaves many American consumers frustrated. Another key factor: China controls a significant portion of the global supply chain for essential battery materials like lithium and cobalt. This dominance allows them to keep production costs low while ensuring a steady supply of components. The future of affordable electric vehicles is bright, but it's up to us to advocate for more options and support domestic innovation. Let's push for a greener, more accessible future together.